As an influencer, a TV show host, and a mother, my day is completely jam-packed. और इस सब में my makeup plays a very important role. और makeup में Amrij Cosmetics is one of those brands I completely trust, and they're always on the go with me. With Amrij Cosmetics, I know that my makeup is ready to take on the entire day. And it makes me feel confident to take on all my professional and personal tasks, चाहे content planning हो, बीच में touch-ups हो, and of course shooting all that content with confidence and enjoying the process. चाहे मेरे professional events हो या personal commitments हो, Amrij is always there to make me feel good, and hence I make sure wherever I go, my favorite products are always on the go with me. और फिर मेरा दिन चाहे जितना भी लंबा हो, जितना भी hectic हो, once I'm home, one thing that I need to unwind is the Amrij Cosmetics makeup remover. It gently removes all the makeup and dirt from the whole day and leaves my skin super supple. With my long days and hectic routine, Amrij Cosmetics gives my skin the care it deserves.